Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you our company and our products. Keqiao Liuyi Import&Export Textile Co. Ltd is a company specializing in the production and sales of knitted fabrics. The company is equipped with 67 high-speed knitting machines and computerized jacquard machines from Karl Mayer, along with 6 warping machines. Its main products include various mesh fabrics, tulle, elastic mesh, swimwear fabrics, lace fabrics, embroidered fabrics, printed fabrics, etc., which are widely used in fashionable women's apparel, wedding dresses, women's lingerie, children's clothing, accessories, and other fields. The products are not only supplied to over 100 garment factories domestically but are also exported to Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and other regions, enjoying a strong reputation for quality and competitive pricing. Adhering to the business philosophy of quality is life, credibility is benefit. Keqiao Liuyi Import&Export Textile Co. Ltd ensures that corporate profits are reflected in every detail, striving to fully meet customer needs. We provide every client with the most competitive product quality and pricing, along with excellent service. Friends from both home and abroad are welcome to visit our company for business discussions and collaborations.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.